Alrighty. On this episode, Uncle Brent's Shed, we do a bit of sightseeing, move a couple of cars around on the car trailer. Nothing too exciting. Bit of scenery up in the hills, and there's an old site at Saltire where there used to be a bustling little community there. I'll see if I can find a little black and white picture of that. Obviously there's nothing there now, 150 years later. But anyway, also one of the cars we drop it off at the Toy Museum in Wilmington. If you can make it there for a look, it's well worth it. I'll share a couple of pictures, but not too much. Right, first job of the day was to wash this poor old girl. She's been pretty dirty, but about to give her her last rinse off, and then on to the next job. Now, I've got a gate that I've got to put up, so I'll probably have to spend the rest of the day getting my post hole borer sorted out. So it's going to be one of those boring days, but yeah, like usual, it is what it is. Righty, so I dug the old post hole borer out. I think you've seen it before. There's a short on it, I reckon. So the original fuel tank had rust holes in it, and I'd put need on it, and that's obviously all fallen off. So I just went with the old $20 eBay plastic universal tank. No filter required now because it's clean, and that's an eBay carby I got a couple of years back. And normally this is a pain in the backside to start. You've got the old primer doodad there, but you have to put your finger over a hole here so the little needle on the seat goes up and down and it draws fuel in. I've done that a few times and it started first pull. Just about went to China there. Not quite, but anyway, you know what I mean. So there's my gate post. I had to cut that down. That is going to get welded onto there. The gate sits on top of that. And then this one gets welded at the top. But obviously I've got to put the gate on there, because if I weld it on, I can't get the gate in there. So pretty boring, but anyway. Got this gate sorted out. It took over 2 hours to dig that hole. The ground here is that bloody hard, even after all the rain we've had. Can't lock the fucking door. How's the Serenity? Way back in the day, there used to be a big pub on the corner there, shaped like almost like a boomerang, and little buildings dotted along here. There's a photo of the track not even there, and then there's a photo of the track being there. That road was pretty well non-existent, but you can sort of see the remains down there. Alrighty, got to drop this old girl off today. Let's see how this goes. That's about as successful as it's going to get. This car got sold about 4 years ago and never got picked up, so I've got another car to pick up today, so we're just going to drop this off on the way through. So generally when I'm by myself and I've got to tow a car, I just make the link between the two really short, so this won't hang out, you know, too far either way. It's good old tow truck, she's coming in handy. Everything keeps turning to the right. Oh, look at that. That's tough. Alrighty, let's get it. Oh, it's a bit fresh up here. I haven't done these wheel bearings for, that one's cold, a good, I don't know, 5 years. It's just warm. It's just got a little bit in it. It's the place to be if you're into your landies. Oh, there she is. Good donor car. 4 new tyres, new battery, new stereo, brand new radiator. Well and truly worth picking up. Oh, that's tough. Righty, got back home, got that thing off the trailer. When I was out, for people that have been asking, I went and seen Tavo. He wasn't far from where I picked that car up. Managed to get hold of him, met up with him, and don't want to elaborate what's happened, but he's actually on the mend, getting better, so that's the main thing. I went and had a look at his pacer and had a look at his shed. He's currently having a clean up in there, so his channel is on hold. It's still there, he's just sort of hidden it, so that's why you can't see anything. So all good there. Alright, I think we'll just leave it. This is just a thrown together casual weekend video, so we'll leave it there. Yeah, alright. Cheers for tuning in, and look after your mates. Go check on your mates.